How to enable day trading on Robinhood. In this video, I'll show you how to enable day trading on Robinhood, explain what it means and walk you through the step you need to follow. Let's get right into it. First, make sure you have downloaded Robinhood app on your phone. If you are iPhone user, you can download it from App Store, and if you are Android user, you can download it from Play Store. After that, click on search bar and open Robinhood app. Make sure to log into your account. Before enabling day trading, it's important to know about the pattern day trader rule, also known as PDT. If you make 4 or more day trades within 5 trading days and your account is under $25,000, you'll be flagged. So, to unlock unlimited day trading, you'll need a margin account. That means you must be subscribed to Robinhood Gold, which costs about $5 per month. Next, go to Settings. First, tap on Profile icon on the bottom right corner. Then click on this 3 line on the top left corner and click on Settings. There you'll find Investing option. After that, click on Margin Investing and make sure it's turned on. This will allow you to use borrowed funds for trades. Now Robinhood automatically tracks your day trades and you can view them under Settings, Account and Day Trade Counter. This helps you stay under the PDT limit if your balance is below $25,000. And that's it. This is how you enable day trading on Robinhood. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.